Is Zara Intense Dark Exclusive the best perfume for winter? Let's find out under 2 minutes. This one is one amongst the three perfumes from their tobacco collection, first being the rich, warm, addictive, and second being the unexpected, fresh, and spicy. So let's look at the bottle presentation very quickly. It comes in a brown colored thick glass bottle, which looks like a chemical bottle from one of the chemistry labs, but it's okay, we don't mind. Tobacco collection is written, the name of the perfume is written, Zara branding is there, nothing over here. On the bottom you have a sticker with batch code and everything mentioned over here, and the cap is good, Zara branding is there on the cap, and there's some texture over here. It clicks into place, but you can't rely on the cap as it may fall down, so it's recommended to hold the bottle from here. Anyway, let's look at the sprayer and the juice. Let's spray over here and check. It gives a short burst of juice. Okay, so the notes mentioned over here is apple, black pepper, cashmere woods, tonka bean, and tobacco. But what you have to remember it's a fresh, spicy scent with a little bit of sweetness in the background and little bit of tobacco in the background. So it's not very tobacco heavy scent, but it's a fresh and spicy scent. So if I have to compare this fragrance with any designer fragrance, because generally Zara, is Zara perfumes are inspired from designers. So in my opinion, this smells like 212 VIP, which is one of my favorite scents, and a little bit of spiciness. So you can say 70% of 212 VIP and 30% of spice bomb. Talking about longevity and projection, it's average. Longevity and projection is average. Overall blend is good. Uniqueness, it's not unique because it smells like 212 VIP. Price value proposition is good. You can get this for 1300, 1200. So it's a good blend in 1300. Blind buy worthy, in my opinion it's not blind buy worthy, because for me it's okay, but if you're using 212 VIP or any sense like that, it could be a redundant purchase for you. So it's not blind buy worthy in my opinion. What can you do? If you want to try this, you can try out decants or go to your nearest Zara store, if any, and try this out. So this was my quick and easy review on Zara Intense Dark Exclusive. Let me know what's your favorite Zara scent. Thanks guys for watching.